we could start this celebration at any moment, but the bells are going to go when they're going to go. So how do I say this? We have time pressures here. And today we're celebrating the return of these bells. The peals until very recently, I just love this, haven't been heard in almost, we think about 70 years.
To some of us, there's something magical about the clock that it's hard to explain. To many of the visitors, there's something magic about the clock, and they fall in love with the tower from top to bottom. It was a dream come true to hear the bells for the first time. It made my heart skip, and today hearing them ring made me almost as joyous. Yeah, it's wonderful every time I hear them.